Hi, my name is Cindy Farr, and I'm the Incident Commander for the Missoula City County Health Department's COVID-19 response. Today's Thursday, March 25th, and this is our COVID briefing. We've had 8,619 cumulative positive cases in Missoula County to date, with 17 new cases since yesterday. We are continuing to see the case numbers coming in at between 15 and 30 cases a day for the last couple of weeks now. We've had 89 deaths associated with COVID-19, and we currently have 128 active COVID-19 cases, with 7 Missoula County residents hospitalized and 6 out-of-county residents hospitalized in Missoula County. And our average incidence per 100,000 people has been bouncing around a little bit, but it's holding at 16 right now. The state of Montana is reporting 103,830 cumulative COVID cases, which is up 174 new cases since yesterday. There are now 957 active cases with 48 hospitalizations across the state, and there have been 1,435 deaths related to COVID-19 statewide. The University of Montana has had 688 cumulative associated cases since the beginning of fall semester back in August, with no new cases reported since yesterday, and there are currently 5 active associated cases. To date, there have been 50,330 doses of COVID vaccine administered in Missoula County, with 17,994 people having received both the first and the second dose of vaccine. Today, I'm going to keep it short, and we'll talk about moving into the next phase of the vaccine plan, the identification of variants in Missoula County, and discussing the recruitment efforts for a new health department director. This coming Sunday, March 28th, Missoula County vaccine providers will be opening up vaccination appointments to the general public. So if you're 16 or over and you'd like to get scheduled for a vaccination appointment, please check out the website at covid19.missoula.co for available clinics, or you can call 258-INFO and select option number 3. We do ask that you reserve the phone option for those who may not have internet access or who may need some additional assistance in getting that appointment scheduled. We are seeing an increase in the vaccine that's coming into Missoula County, and we'll continue to provide public vaccination clinics at our Lucky's Market location over in Southgate Mall. And just a reminder, if you are between the ages of 16 and 18 and you would like to get vaccinated, you do need to have a parent with you. Next, I want to talk about variants. This week, 2 cases of a variant strain of COVID-19 were identified in Missoula County. The strain identified is a California variant B1429. According to the CDC, this variant is 20% more transmissible, and it's not as easily treatable as the original strain of COVID. This is particularly concerning as we are seeing an increase in COVID cases over the last couple of weeks. We've also seen our test positivity rate jump by 2% since last week, and we've recently seen more severe disease and hospitalization in younger age groups than what we've seen in the past. We've actually had a few cases of people in their 20s being hospitalized from COVID complications this week. So this is just to serve as a reminder that while we're increasing our vaccination rates for COVID-19, we are continuing to see cases of COVID as well. And so it's still really important that you continue practicing those prevention measures, maintaining social distancing, wearing a mask when you're in public, wash your hands frequently, and please get tested if you do develop symptoms. Last, I just want to let everyone know that our health officer and health department director announced her plans for retiring this summer after more than 30 years of work with the health department. And so recruitment has been underway for her replacement. This week, the final 4 candidates have spent some time meeting with community partners, elected officials, and some of us here at the health department. They will each be interviewed by the Board of Health tomorrow, Friday, March 26th, and they plan to make a final decision after their interviews have been conducted. Those interviews are available for the public to view via Microsoft Teams meeting, which is just the same as how they conduct their regular Board of Health meetings. So that is it for today. As always, you can subscribe on YouTube under my name, Cindy Farr. That's CindyFarr. You can click that notification bell so you get notified when additional videos are uploaded. You can check out our website at MissoulaInfo.com for lots of great information there. You can also go to covid19.missoula.co if you would like information on how to schedule a vaccination appointment. Follow us on Facebook at the Missoula City County Health Department's Facebook page, and if you need assistance scheduling an appointment, you can call 258-INFO and select option number 3. If you would like to schedule a COVID test, you can also call that 258-INFO number and they can help you schedule a test there. So until next week, everybody, stay healthy.